I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. Today is the third part of using English expressions to speak and sound more like a native. So I know you are so excited and so am I. So let's look at the first expression. So the first expression is to step up your game. To step up your game means to start working harder, making more effort in order to be able to succeed. So if you want to be successful, you need to step up your game. You need to work harder or smarter. For example, you need to step up your game and study if you want to pass your exams, or I need to step up my game, study harder to pass my exams. Or if you have a business, you can say, I need to step up my game and get more customers. Okay, expression number 2. Pull yourself together. Do you know what it means? Pull yourself together doesn't mean you're falling apart physically in your body, but inside your mind. Okay, so what does it mean? It means stop panicking, regain self-control, control yourself. Okay, start to behave normally. What is normal for you, not for everybody else. For example, calm down and pull yourself together. We're not going to miss the flight. We've got plenty of time. A lot of time. We won't miss the flight. We're not getting late. That's what it means. Example number 2. My boss broke down under pressure and his wife told him to pull himself together. Okay. Hi there, my lovelies. I'm Kat, and I'm here for the last expression. Okay, the last expression is to cut someone some slack. Not to just cut them. That would be very bad. Okay, what does this expression mean? Do you know? Okay, it means to give somebody a break, or to stop judging them. Many times people are judging other people. I think we are all guilty of this, right? For example, haven't you finished that report yet? Cut me some slack. I am doing the best that I can. Another example, Hollywood superstars are always going so crazy. You need to cut them some slack. Maybe you would be like them too, if you were famous. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I know you enjoyed it a lot. So make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos with us. Next week we will have some more, yes, you heard me right, some more interesting expressions that you can use and sound more natural. You want that, don't you? I know you do. Okay, so it's bye for now. Take care and be careful of this virus. I'm worried for you, okay? So take care and be good. Have a lovely time and see you next week. Bye for now.